Hi! In this video I'm going to show you 5 different softwares that you can use to make pixel art. First of all, you don't need expensive or complicated tools to make pixel art. If you can choose colors and paint individual pixels, you can make pixel art with that tool. But there are some softwares that make it easier to make pixel art, with specific tools to make dithering or being able to use texture brushes and more. So let's talk about those 5 software. Vizquel is the most simple of the 5. You can use it in your browser or you can use it in your desktop. It is free and light, easy to use. Vizquel also has a clean interface and all the tools that you can need to make pixel art. You can make animations, selections, you can manage your color palette, use symmetry and dithering. It is a great tool to make simple stuff. Vizquel is another free software. You can't use it in your browser, but you can use it in your desktop. Vizquel is more complex than Vizquel. It has more tools like a text tool, effects, and more animation tools. Vizquel also has a confusing and ugly interface. In my opinion, Vizquel is the best free software specialized in making pixel art. Sprite isn't free. You need to pay $15 or you can compile it yourself for free. It is a really popular software in the pixel art community. It is easy to use, has a clean interface and all the tools that you will need to make pixel art. Some things are bad. For example, if you want to import an image to a document, you need to first open the image as a new document, copy the layer with the image and then paste it in the document that you want. Sprite is getting better with time. It also has a great community behind it, and it is most likely the best tool specialized in pixel art, especially if you want to make animations. Promotion NG is also paid. It has a price of $39 and it has a lot of tools like axonometric grids, tileset management and more. It is the hardest tool in the list to learn. It is about the triple of the price of Sprite. There isn't a lot of tutorials or documentation for this tool. Most of the tutorials are from the official site of Promotion. The last one is Krita. It is a free and open source tool. The difference is that Krita is not focused on making pixel art. Its main purpose is digital painting. But it is easy to make pixel art in Krita. It is customizable, easy to learn, and it also has a lot of features that will make your life easier when making pixel art. As I've said, it is not a pixel art focused tool. Therefore, some tools like the circle tool doesn't work as good for pixel art as the circle tool in Vizquel, as you can see in the circle comparison. The circle made in Vizquel looks much more clean than the one made in Krita. Also, the animation tools in Krita aren't exactly the best ones that you can find. Those are 5 tools that you can use to make pixel art. In this course, I'm going to use Krita, but you are free to use the tool that you want to use. The software itself is not relevant, but the concept and technique of pixel art. In the next video, we are going to look at the difference between making pixel art with a mouse and with a graphics tablet.